Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with an exciting work from home job lead for you. Real quickly, before we get into it, if you are new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, finding the best remote work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis and sharing with you. So make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on, and as always, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, when you are looking for your perfect dream job, there's a few things that are normally really important to people. One is the pay. That is always normally the most important. Enjoyability of the job that you're actually doing is pretty high on the list, and then the benefits that the position offers as far as health care, discounts at places, other things like that are also really important, and today's job lead has a mix of those in it. The well-known family water park and attraction vacation lodging place Great Wolf Lodge has a remote work from home job open for a service team supervisor for their call center. Now, if customer service is your thing, if you've ever had any kind of experience of being like a team leader or some kind of a leadership role in some kind of customer service, it doesn't really have to be call center, but if you've worked in a retail location or in a restaurant as a server and you've kind of been a team lead, I always say if you have the leadership skills and experience to move up and be a supervisor or be into management, that is where you are going to really be able to shine your skills and make higher paying salaries. Now, as a supervisor, they're looking for someone to support their live chat agents, their social and guest communications team. So you'll really be helping on the front lines with the guest experience. You'll be promoting a learning organization that clearly understands business objectives and deliverables. Of course, because this is a supervisory role, you'll be tracking, trending, and analyzing enterprise service work output that delivers on minimizing repeat contacts, low effort guest experience, survey scores, and agent productivity. You'll monitor and calibrate calls with team and vendor partners to ensure high quality outputs. Of course, you'll develop leaders to execute on day-to-day leadership direction and support, and you'll coach those under you. Now, they are looking for someone who has some kind of leadership or supervisory experience in a customer service capacity, someone who has experienced coaching others, team building skills. They do kind of want somebody who has an associate's degree in business operations or sales, but if you have equivalent experience, they will take that over a degree. Of course, you have to have great communication skills and great PC computer skills, including Microsoft Office. Now, one thing to note about this position is that you do have to have your own equipment. They do not provide it for you, and Chromebooks are not allowed to be used. So you do have to have a regular laptop or desktop computer. Of course, if this sounds like something you would be interested in, they are paying very well for the position, anywhere from $55,000 a year all the way up to $75,000 a year. And of course, on that, they have a great benefit plan that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k with a company batch, paid time off, all of these standards, but they also give you lodge discounts. So you can get discounts on family vacations. So when you work hard, you can also play hard. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that is okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.